In this video, I'm going to show you what's the best natural DIY deodorant. Now, deodorants are the most commonly used way that you can keep your armpit and body odor down to a minimum. But did you know that more and more people are opting for natural deodorants in favor of the store-bought stuff? Now, the reason why people are choosing natural deodorants more often is due to the ingredients found in most store-bought deodorants, including fragrances, synthetic materials, and aluminum. These ingredients can be irritating to the skin, and some people are worried about the impact that applying aluminum-based deodorants to the skin may have on the body. Thankfully, you don't have to opt out of deodorant altogether just because you don't want the store-bought stuff. The following are some of the best natural DIY deodorants you can make yourself. There are a lot of different natural deodorant recipes and remedies out there, so we've picked the best of the best to share with you. These DIY deodorants do the best job in terms of keeping your body odor down, masking odor, and helping reduce odor-causing sweat. Number 1. Baking soda deodorant. Baking soda-based recipes are very popular because it's a natural deodorizer. In fact, before aluminum became the go-to ingredient for store-bought sticks, baking soda was the most common base ingredient. Baking soda can be used in several ways in regards to making your own DIY deodorant. You can use the powder form on its own, which most people say produces just okay results. Or you can use it as a base by mixing it with water to form a paste that you then apply to your underarms. Number 2. Coconut oil deodorant. Coconut oil is used for a lot of different remedies, including a natural DIY deodorant. Coconut oil is antimicrobial, so it can kill some of the bacteria trapped underneath your arms, which causes body odors. Coconut oil also has a natural fragrance which can cover up odors. Coconut oil can be applied on its own, although it's a bit greasy if you apply too much at one time, so make sure you start with a small amount. Number 3. Witch Hazel deodorant. A witch hazel is actually an astringent, which is used in a lot of facial masks and lotions. But it can also be used to eliminate armpit odor as well. And this is because witch hazel kills bacteria, which eliminates the odor caused by bacteria that develops under your arms. Witch hazel works fine on its own, though most people recommend trying a diluted version first to make sure your skin doesn't get irritated. It can be applied with a cotton ball or put inside a spray bottle. Remember, you don't have to stick with store-bought deodorants if you don't want to. The natural DIY deodorants in this video are easy to make, easy to apply, and work to eliminate odor-causing bacteria and sweat. Now, you may need to apply your DIY deodorant more often than you would a store-bought stick, but the benefits of using a natural recipe outweigh this inconvenience. I hope you've enjoyed this video on what is the best natural DIY deodorant. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 15 clever uses of coconut oil you need to know. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.